Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and replace the push start from AJT on a 21 Tundra. Go ahead and remove the dash, remove the button. Go ahead and use a flathead screwdriver and pry out the button. You want to go ahead and push on both sides. It'll eventually pop out. Go ahead and put the new button in. Also make sure that the ring lines up completely. There's only one way that it goes in, so line it up and you're able to just push it back in. Now that you have your button installed, go ahead and pop it back in place. Go ahead and push everything back in place. And that's how the new button looks. Looks great.